Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US Mix channel. Today's topic is Instagram introduces new features to control over cyberbullying. So today we'll discuss about this new feature of Instagram. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will discuss in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Cyberbullying will be banned and Instagram brought new features and know how to use. Photo sharing app Instagram has recently launched a lot of new features and updates for its users. And the company has designed features to reduce cyberbullying. Instagram new features and photo sharing app Instagram has recently launched a lot of new features and updates for its users. The company has designed features to reduce cyberbullying, and through these features users will now be able to delete unwanted comments from their posts and will be able to restrict the comments as well as use features such as allowing or not allowing tagging. Instagram more secure. According to the community standard enforcement report, the company has taken this step to make its platform more secure. Nowadays, along with spreading rumors on social media platforms, a new trend of cyberbullying has also started, because of which users are not able to push their minds. To solve this problem, all companies are making changes in their features. So Instagram started to control over this cyberbullying. This is the new feature of Instagram. Now, manage comments. Earlier on Instagram, users were able to delete comments one by one, but with the new feature, users will be able to delete many comments simultaneously. Currently, this feature has been launched for iOS users. The feature will also be released on Android version soon. To delete more comments simultaneously, users have to tap on the three dots on the right side corner on the settings section and select manage comments options. Users can select 25 comments at once to delete. Now, anti-bullying. The company has released another feature for anti-bullying. With this, users will be able to decide which users can tag and mention them on Instagram posts. There will be three options in this, and the first is everyone, another is only people you follow, and no one. Users can choose any of them. So you just choose three options there. First is everyone, another is only people you follow, and third one is no one. So you can choose any of them, and you can, and only if you select this, then you can just tag and mention them on Instagram post. So they only, if you select everyone, so anyone can tag or mention them on this Instagram posts. If you select only follow, only people you follow, then the users the followers of your Instagram only tag and mentions them on the Instagram posts. And if you choose no one, then no one can tag or mentions them on the Instagram posts. Another feature of Instagram is comment settings. Now users will be able to reset the comment from selected accounts. To do this, users have to go to the comment section of the photo and tap the three dots on the right side. After that, the option of more options will appear on the manage comments. Here users can select those accounts whose comments they don't want to their posts. These features has been released for Android version. Now, pin comments. In addition, users will now be able to pin their desired comments. Once this feature is released, it will give the user a way to set the tone for their account and engage with their community, in which users will be able to pin comments to a select number of tops. So this is about our topic about this Instagram's new feature and control over this cyberbullying. Now we'll watch that website report for this topic, for this Instagram's new feature of control over this cyberbullying. So go. Okay friends, now we'll watch the website report for this new, Instagram's new feature and control over the cyberbullying. So Instagram introduces new feature to control cyberbullying. Here what they do. Instagram has released a number of new features to control cyberbullying on its platform. Here is what they do. And this is the Instagram has just announced the release of number of new features to combat cyberbullying on its platform. These new features include deleting comments in bulk, restricting comments, the ability to choose who can tag you in photo and more. Let's talk about all of these new features. Deleting comments in bulk. So you can delete bulk comments at just one click. Earlier Instagram users had to select and delete each comment individually, and this became a very ridiculous task for Instagrammers with a large follower base. So if you have lots of followers, then there are lots of comments in one photo, and if you just clicking just individually, if you delete, that is ridiculous job, and you just are boring about every time you just select and then delete, select and then delete. So it is very ridiculous for these Instagrammers. So now this is Instagram get these new features for deleting comments in bulk, and with this new update, the company is now allowing iOS users to select and delete multiple comments at once. This feature had been available on the Android version of the app for some time now. The delete multiple comments at once, iOS users need to tap on the three dot on the top right corner and select the manage comments options. They can then choose up to 25 comments to delete at once. So if you are iOS or a smartphone user, so if you have any Apple iPhone, then you have iOS users, then you just select, you just open, when you open this Instagram app, then you have seen the three dots on the top right corner, and then you have seen, just click on these three dots, you have just touch, and then you have seen the one manage comments option is there. Touch the manage comment, and you just see, you just select 25 comments, then you just select 25 comments, then you choose 25 comments to delete at once. And if you Android user, so you can delete multiple messages at once. And now the restriction comments from certain accounts, you will now be able to restrict comments from particular account. To do so, iOS users need to tap the three dots on the top right corner while in the comment section of a photo. There they need to select the manage comments option and tap on more options. There they can select the accounts they want to restrict from commenting on their photos. Android users need to press and hold on a comment to select it. Then they need to tap the three dots on the top right corner and select the block or restrict options. Choosing who can tag you. To counter cyberbullying, Instagram is now providing users with an option to select the users that can tag them in posts. This will help them in not getting tagging in random hate post made by cyberbullies. This feature is located inside of the privacy tab located in the settings menu. So in the settings menu, you have seen this privacy, and from there you select these features, and it provides users with three settings, everyone, and which everyone tag them inside the post, and only post you follow, which allows people you follow to make post within tag to your profile, and no one, which lets nobody on the platform tag you inside the post. So there are three options. One is everyone, another is only people you follow, and another is no one. So you can choose from there, and if you choose this everyone, then everyone tag them inside your post, and if you choose these people who follow, then only people you follow to make post and tag your profile, and if you choose no one, then nobody can tag you inside your posts. So this is the new feature. And highlighting positive comments. Highlighting positive comments, the app now provides its users with the option to pin positive comments onto a photo post. Pinning a comment will highlight it and show the comment on the top. This feature is currently not available for all users, as the company is currently testing it internally. However, it states that the feature will be made available soon. So this is the coming feature, that you can pin positive comments, and it is showing show the comment on the top position. So if you just if you like this comment, then you can just pin it, pin that comment, and it will show in the top position of your post. So that is the three more updates, 3 new updates of this Instagram, and main update is this is the main topics, that is the Instagram introduces new features to control over cyberbullying, and that's it for our topics today. Okay friends, that's it, and after watching this video now you can know the detail about this Instagram's new feature, control over the cyberbullying, and I think you will enjoy this video and you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our US and Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.